called Jibhi. It's least known to all the travelers and it's obviously better than your favorite spot, Kasol. You'll just have to take a right turn and you will reach Jibhi, which is the right place. You want to see more? I'll show you that. So now I'm going towards Sojha from Jibhi, which is 7 kilometers. And someone told me about this place that you must visit Sojha if you're coming to Jibhi. So I'm going towards Sojha, and tomorrow I'll be going towards Jalori Pass because Jalori Pass is very near to Sojha, right? So I'll show you how Jalori Pass in Sojha looks like.